This is Versa here, and I am one of the maths instructor at Career Tree Education. So today I will be discussing the topic factorization by splitting the middle term. Okay, it is one of the method of factorization which is mainly used in quadratic polynomial. Whenever you have to factorize a quadratic polynomial, you can use this method. Okay, so before I begin this topic, you need to know the standard form of a quadratic polynomial. So the standard form of a quadratic polynomial is x square plus bx plus c, right? In which a is the coefficient of x square, b is the coefficient of x, and c will be the constant term, right? And what we will say the middle term here, bx. This bx is the middle term, right? Okay. So now if you have to factorize it, if you have to factorize this quadratic polynomial, what you should do, the first thing is you need to split the middle term into two numbers. Okay, you have to split this middle term into two numbers in such a way that the sum of those numbers should be equals to this b, and the product of those two numbers should be equals to a into c, means coefficient of x square and the constant term, right? Okay, so for example, if you have to factorize, equation, a polynomial like 2x square plus 17x plus 15, right? If you have to factorize 2x square plus 17x plus 15, right? So this is a quadratic polynomial, right? In which the highest degree of x, in which the degree of x is 2. So we need to factorize this polynomial, right? So first thing is what you need to compare this equation, you need to compare this polynomial with the standard form of a quadratic polynomial, which is x square plus bx plus c, right? So here we can see that our a equals to 2, b equals to 70, and c equals to 15, right? Okay, so our middle term is 17x, right? So we need to split this term into two numbers in such a way that their sum should be equals to b. What is b? 17, and their product should be equals to 15 into 2, right? Because a into c, so 15 into 2, which will be 30, correct? Now the next step is we have to find such a pair, right? We have to find such a pair of numbers. So how to find that? So you need to factorize this 30. You need to find the factor of 30, right? So to find the factor of 30, we need to find the LCM of 30, which will be 215, 35, 51, right? So 30 can be written as 1 into 2 into 3 into 5, right? So what are the possible pairs of number? Possible pairs. So what will be our possible pairs? If I will take 1, so the another number will be 30 itself. Why? Because their product should be equals to 30, right? Okay. Now another number, if I will choose another pair of numbers, so if I will choose 2, so the second number will be 15, right? If I will choose 3, then the second number will be 10, right? If I will choose 6, then the second number will be 5, right? These are the possible pair from this, right? Okay, now we will just select which pair will work for this polynomial, right? So if we choose this first pair, this is 1 and 30, right? So if we will multiply them, we will get 30, right? But what about the addition? If you are going to add this 30 and 1, we are not going to get 17, right? We are going to get 31, so this pair will not work. What about this pair? You are going to get 30 when you will find the product, but and also if you are going to add them, you are going to get 17, right? So this pair will work for us, and rest of these two pairs, if you will multiply them, you will get 30, but if you will add them, you are not going to get 17. So this pair of numbers will serve our purpose. So our equation from what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to write the quadratic equation once again. which is 2x square plus 17x plus 15, right? Okay. So in place of 17x, what did we find the numbers? 15 and 2. So we can write 2x plus 15, x plus 15. Okay. So from these two numbers, from these two terms, we can take common as 2x, right? So what will be left? X plus 1. Again from these two terms, we can take common 15. So it will be x plus 1, right? Okay. So again this x plus 1 is common and we can write it as 2x plus 15. Okay. So what are we going to get is 2x squared plus 17x plus 15 will be equals to x plus 1 into 2x plus 15. Now we have found two factors. Okay, now we have factorized the given polynomial into two factors so that their product will be again equal to this polynomial. Okay, now we can also see that the degree of the given polynomial is always greater than the degree of the factors. So now the required answer will be x plus 1 into 2x plus 15. Now we cannot further factorize it, right? So this will be our factorization. In this way we have to do the factorization by splitting the middle term, right? Okay. Hope you will understand. Thank you.